Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Here's a very simple recipe to prepare a Boondi Raita. Take 100 grams of chickpea flour in a deep bowl. Add 14 centiliters of water little by little. Add in a tablespoon of oil and whisk for about 2 minutes. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Heat oil in a pan for deep frying. Check the temperature by dropping a little amount of batter into the oil. The batter is bubbling up quickly, it's the right temperature. Now hold a perforated spoon a little above the pan and pour few tablespoons of batter on it. Tap it lightly so that the batter falls into the hot oil. Fry until bundis become crisp. Repeat these steps with the remaining batter. Cool completely and store in an airtight container and use as required. To prepare raita, soak 100 grams of bundi in warm water for 15 minutes. Drain it and squeeze out the excess water. In a bowl, combine 375 grams of plain yogurt with 125 grams of Greek yogurt. Add in a tablespoon of roasted cumin powder, 3 pinches of black pepper, and a handful of coriander roughly chopped. Add some water to it and mix well. Finally, add the bundi. Refrigerate your raita for half an hour and season with some salt before serving.